Good morning, everyone. So, the next topic after lead generation is PPC, pay per click, PPC advertising. Many of you have may heard about the name PPC, pay per click. Pay per click, as its name, paying on per click basis, right? Paying on per click basis or payment on per click, pay per click advertising. Almost all the advertisements that are for lead generation, basically on internet we have mostly what we use are two types of advertising. Two types. One is for lead generation or sales, right? Another is for branding, brand awareness. If any advertisement is for branding, brand awareness, just for brand awareness, just for creating awareness about the product or services or about the brand, then if you will click on that, it will not be clickable basically. It will be just an image or some text. You cannot click on that. If you will click, then you will be going nowhere. Like no link is there basically. So that we use for branding or brand awareness, and the payment will be on we call it CPM, on the basis of per 1000 impressions, right? If advertisement is only for branding and brand awareness, creating awareness among users, consumers, then we cannot click on that picture or that advertisement, that creative. If you will click, then you are going nowhere because it is only for displaying. Another is the mostly we see the advertisements. When we click, we reaches to the website of the advertiser. Whenever we click on that advertisement, we reach at the website of the advertiser. So advertisers have to pay on the basis of per click on the case of clickable advertising, and we call it pay per click. And another was, and the payment will be per pay click based, and the amount on per how much the advertiser will pay on a click depends upon the bid amount, right? Bidding depends on the bidding strategy, right? Different types of bidding strategies are there. And where are these bidding strategies? These are all from where we manage all these advertisements. From where we manage all these advertisements. From where we manage? We manage all these advertisements from Google AdWords. From Google AdWords. Google AdWords is a tool. Google have different tools like Gmail from Google, YouTube, Google Analytics. I explained on my initial first unit is for analyzing the user behavior on the website. And similarly, Google AdWords is a tool. You can reach at that by typing on Google search bar adwords.google.com. adwords.google.com. So these pay per clicks are managed from the Google AdWords, and pay per click means paying on the basis of a click. And apart from that, we have payment on the basis of 1000 impressions. We call it CPM bidding system, and that is used only for the branding. We are not selling anything. When we talk about branding and brand awareness, that is, we are not selling at that time anything. We are only creating awareness among consumers for our product or services. And this is another category, and the next category is pay per click. And most of the advertisements, whatever you see whether on your mobile phone or you are on or your social media platforms, that is sponsored ones on Instagram or Facebook. We can say the type is pay per click, because whenever we clicks on these ads, advertisers have to pay, will be charged by the social media platform or by the Google. Because if you are clicking any advertisement on Instagram or Facebook, so who is going to charge? Facebook basically manages all the advertisements on Instagram and Facebook as well, on both the platforms. So Facebook will charge, the company Facebook will charge from the advertiser whenever we click ad on Facebook or Instagram. Similarly on LinkedIn, on Twitter or on, right? So this is pay per click. That it simply means paying on the basis of clicks. Because we able to see different advertisements on different social media channels, but we hardly clicks. In a month maybe 4 or 5 clicks. But advertisement we see on our timelines or on all the time. It means Facebook is not charging from the advertiser if I am viewing any ad or any impression on the basis of impressions. It is charges only on the basis of clicks, right? And that is the brand. The Facebook also supports all the types of that advertising. One another type from these two, when I talked about basing of all the brand awareness, impression based. Next is pay per click. One another category you can find somewhere that is little bit advanced, on the paying on the basis of conversions. That is also a bidding mechanism, bidding system, conversion based payment. That is, you will pay Google only when you will be able to sell something or means attain your goal. If you are collecting some information on your lead generation form, that is your goal, and you will pay Google on the every lead information connected. And if your conversion is the sales on your online store, then you will be paying on the basis of that sales, and that is another bidding system. But by the 80% we are using pay per click advertising, and that is the pay per click advertising means any advertisement we see, either it is on social media platforms, any of the social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, or on our mobile devices on different applications, right? Or on website, on different websites we are able to see. And these are mostly on PPC, and we call it pay per click. That is, advertiser has to pay on the basis of clicks, right? On the basis, job of the social media platform job or Google's job is to display these advertisements to audience, to consumers, and Google will charge or Facebook will charge to user, or only whenever any consumer clicks on that advertisement, right? And that PPC exists not all, as I have explained, PPC is, and either we are viewing these advertisements on our laptops or on our mobile smartphones or our tablets, right? Or in any type of device, and as well as on Facebook, social media platforms, or on Google, or on any other web, placed on any other website. Many content driven websites are there, the website which displays advertisements, right? And on either on these websites. So these websites, Google, or basically most of the advertisement either on smartphones or on laptops or on different websites, different types of websites, right? They are placed by Google, because Google have a network of millions of websites and applications which has partnered with the Google to place advertisement on their websites or on their mobile applications. And that is done by Google AdSense. The third or the fourth application of Google, Google AdSense. And Google AdSense is a partnering platform where if you are developing a content-based website or a blog, writing a blog, you have on a blog, you have a blogging website, you can partner with Google with the Google AdSense, going with Google AdSense, and if then Google will display your advertisements of different companies on your website and you will be receiving the money on per pay click basis. That is, either the website owner, you having a website, Google placing on advertisements on your website, you will also receive payments on the basis of clicks, and the advertiser will also pay on the basis of number of clicks. And the portion, if Google is placing advertisements on your website and your visitors are clicking ads on your website, and as I said, the bidding rates or bidding cost is different on different websites on the basis of different keywords. It depends on the reason, depends on the keyword. Basically, main thing is the keyword and the bidding strategy. Like multiple factors are there. So if Google is charging 10 rupees for that click on your website from advertiser, Google will charging 10 rupees per click from advertiser. The ad is on your website and consumers are clicking ad on your website, then normally the partnership is Google will take 3 rupees and will pay you 7 rupees. That is 70-30 partnership somewhere nearby, right? That is how people earn money, and that is a way of earning money, online money earning, right? That is one way. That is, if you are fond of writing content, generating good content, blogs and all, then Google will place advertisements on your website, and if traffic is good on your website, you have good number of readers and they clicks on your advertisements, Google will pay for that, right? All the display advertisements, whether images, slideshows and videos, different content formats you see and you clicks on them, reaches to advertisers website, these all are pay per click basis. And even search advertising, Google search advertising, we will discuss this in next video in detail about Google search advertising. It is search advertising. Google search advertising is also on the pay per click basis. Here again advertisers has to pay only when someone clicks on these advertisements. Getting the point? Advertisers has to pay only when someone clicks on these advertisements, right? This is Google search advertising. So most of the advertising on the internet is on the basis of pay per click. Apart from pay per click, we have impression based advertising for brand awareness and branding. And third category is conversion based advertising. We pay the bidding strategy, we opt as conversion based, that is filling some form or selling something on the website. We will discuss detail about their conversion based advertising when we will be discussing about Google AdWords and different bidding strategies on the Google, right? Different types of bidding strategies on the Google. Then we will discuss about conversion optimization and conversion based charges of the Google conversion based pricing strategy, right? Okay, thank you then for the day.